Guys, make sure you stay until the end. This is the original transmission fluid. Right here, this is the new one. That's what it should look like. But what we have, that stuff here. Stay with us and we'll explain how to do a transmission fluid change step by step in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you that want to see how to add transmission fluid on a Porsche Cayenne, Volkswagen Touareg, Audi Q7 third generation. Why all these three cars? They're built on the same platform. Practically you have the same vehicle, guys. And if you're on the market for any spare parts, you have a Porsche, always check the Volkswagen part number, because many of the like suspension, transmission parts will be interchangeable, interior as well. But the Volkswagen part, it could be like 2 to 3 times cheaper. Just quick advice. Now let's explain how we can add transmission fluid and what special tools you need. So guys, now for adding transmission fluid, okay, we're doing actually fluid change, but we want to show you, we're just putting a scene here so we can see how it works. This is the transmission, right? You can see all the solenoids and stuff like that as well. Now guys, okay, the oil pan is removed out of here. It's not here anymore. But if we come right here, I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, give me a second to get myself out. If we come right here, this is the oil pan. Okay, on the inside. This is on the outside, right here. On the outside, I dropped it and the gasket fell, so we'll need to position it in a little bit. Let me take the gasket off, okay, so I don't damage it. Now, you can see right here, this is the fuel, this is the drain plug with the Torx too. These guys, okay, is the fuel plug right next to it. That fuel plug, when you remove it, watch how deep it goes. Okay, so here, okay, we'll show you. We have a pump, a special pump that we bought that will make life much easier. That's the pump, and it comes with all the kits here. And even, I'll put the link in the description of the video below, you can see where you can get it from. But here you have, okay, I think attachment 104 is for that. Okay, give us a second here because we got those dirty, we rolled them in the dirt accidentally. 103, which one is that one? 104, I believe it's this one. Yeah, that's the Porsche one, guys, that's the Porsche one. So when you remove that nut, okay, you're going to go through the hole, okay, and push that end all the way up, okay, inside. And you start adding fluid until it starts dripping out of here, but we'll explain how much now. Let's continue with the next step. So guys, to check the transmission fluid level, you need to have the car completely level, okay, on stand, on anything like lift, but it needs to be completely level, very secure, because you'll be under the car. If it falls, it kills you. So if you're not confident, you don't have the equipment, don't do it. You start the car, you let it idle, okay, until the temperature of the transmission pan reaches 40 degrees. That's Celsius. That's 104 Fahrenheit, guys. Okay, right there. I was just past that, 42. Because fluid expands with temperature. Next, you gotta make sure, okay, you add fluid until, okay, it starts dripping. Okay, until it starts coming out of there. Let me show you now. Okay, until it starts dripping. And when that happens, okay, it starts dripping now. Watch it now. And I'm gonna make a mess everywhere. It's dripping, right? You go inside the vehicle. Okay, you are going to cycle through drive and reverse, holding the brake and holding each gear. You start at park, put it in drive, holding the brake for 5 seconds, go to reverse, hold the brake, 5 seconds, do that 3 times, put it in park. Do that whole procedure 3 times. Again, reverse drive, park 3 times. Then you come and you add oil. At idle in park, when the temperature is 40 degrees and you start dripping, that means that you're full. So we can go ahead and close it now. That's pretty okay. So guys, 52 foot-pound, okay, the plug for the fuel plug is 52 foot-pound that you need to get it, but you can see practically we're done with that as well. So guys, that's how you add transmission fluid to the Cayenne. Not very complicated, but for some reason if you need to stop in the middle of it, make sure you install the fuel plug. If you have to turn the car off, then make sure you turn the car on, let it idle for 5-10 minutes before you remove that plug again, because otherwise all the oil will leak back in the oil pan, and when you open it, it will be a big mess. Not very complicated if you know what you're doing, guys. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, help us grow, that way we can help more people. Save money, that's our mission, to save as much money as we can. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.